Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In today's video I want to show you how to fix a fan regulator. A fan regulator which can able to control the fan for speed 1 to 3 or speed 1 to 5. Some of those regulators may be the cause of your ceiling fan not to work. So this particular one, I'm trying to open it, it's not working, it has broken. Look at the switch is broken, everything is broken, so you cannot control the ceiling fan in the up. If the fan is not working and you find out that is this regulator that's the cause, what you do, you can able to buy a new one in the market, which is kind a little expensive. But if you don't want to spend money, you can do it the way I'm doing it right now. Is by removing the switch and the capacitor together, and this will give you the same result, and you are spending very less than buying it a new one. Look at what I remove inside the capacitor and everything. You see, everything is broken already. So there's no this one in particular is completely useless. So, and then let me get to the other ones that I will to buy in the cheaper rates. You see, everything is complete again in a very cheaper rate. So this particular one cost me nothing to fix it. It cost me nothing than buy the new regulator in the market. With this one, I can able to spend more lesser money. You just to fix what is inside. You see, you can connect it. You see, it's just very easy to connect. Just screw it together. Now make sure you tie the capacitor very well, because that's the one that controls the speed. Make sure you have to tie it with the switch all together. You see, now it's already tied. It's completely right now. Alright, these are the two terminals, the last and the first. You see, this red and black that is speed 1 to 3. So you see that's the where you get the speed. So this actually is the speed 1, speed 2. Do you understand the connection? Each of those connections go to that capacitor side. So it's the one that will control the speed. Are you okay? In this particular one, I find it difficult to fix the cap already, but which I later succeeded. So it's already on 0%. At this at this stage of it now, I've almost completed the work. So it's almost completed. So there's no need to buy a new regulator again. I've done mine. Very easy and simple. You see? Oh, speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and that is all. This kind of work is very easy to replace. Very easy. So you don't need to buy a regulator. This can even work more than the new one that you see Thanks for watching. If you understand this video.